How to download APK on Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download an APK on your Android device safely and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser or any browser you prefer on your Android phone. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to download, followed by the word APK. For example, if you want Spotify, type Spotify APK. Now, from the search results, you'll see several websites. Always go for trusted sources that are generally safe and have verified APKs. Tap on the site you trust and let it load fully. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you find the version of the app you want. Look for the latest version or the one that matches your device's compatibility. Tap on the download button that says Download APK or something similar. At this point, your phone might show a warning saying this type of file can harm your device. Don't worry, this is just a standard security message. If you're sure about the source, tap OK or Download anyway. The APK file will now start downloading. Once the download is finished, you can tap Open directly from the notification bar or go to the Downloads folder in your file manager. Now, after the download is complete, you can easily install the APK file. And that's it. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Mutech for more simple tech guides. See you in the next one.